Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily manage VLAN settings on your BROTHER DCP-T510W. So basically VLAN is a wireless local area network, so it should definitely help you connect with your printer from your devices. So first, go over the menu. And now here, go over the network. Now here we have the VLAN, here we have the DCP-IP Setup Wizard, WLAN Assistant, WPS with the pin code, or the VLAN status. Here we have the MAC address, and here we can set up our IP. As you guys can see, here we can basically do that by clicking OK every time. As you guys can see, it's that simple. So you can easily do that, and then you can easily connect with your printer. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.